You're very welcome to our free course BPMN 2.0 Fundamentals. My name is Dave Murphy. I've designed and written quite a number of courses on process modelling. At the time of writing, we have almost 8,000 users who've completed our courses on BPM using either Microsoft Visio Professional or Bizagi Process Modeler. I also have many years practical experience implementing projects with major companies. In the latter part of my career, I have over 20 years as a university lecturer, with process analysis as one of my specialities. So I can assure you that you're going to be in good hands. This free course has been designed to provide you with an overview of BPMN, its main elements and how they fit together. In that context, we're going to demonstrate how to construct process models using two of the most widely used process modeling software products, Microsoft Visio Professional and Bizagi Process Modeler. These products have been chosen because they are robust, are very widely used in industry and business, and offer the potential to expand your skills and capabilities in the future. Let's be clear about our objectives. We want to provide you with an insight into those skills which will provide you with an edge in the marketplace, either in your current position or as the basis for moving your career to the next level. Of course, we also want you to grow your skills using our courses, and we hope to convince you that they will help you to supercharge your CV and skill base in order to improve your future and our business. We want to convince you that a small investment in bow-tie learning will reap significant rewards for your future. So let's get started.